Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer crypto from BINANCE app to MEXC Exchange. So first of all, you will have to come on Binance. Now, if you don't have an account on Binance, I will put the link of it down in the description. Now, once you are in your Binance account or once you create your account on Binance, in order to transfer your crypto, you will have to first of all select which crypto you want to transfer. So in order to select that, simply tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen and then select the option of spot in the top. Now in your balance, you will see the list of all of the cryptocurrencies that you have in your account. So you need to select the one which you want to transfer. For example, let's say I want to transfer BNB. So after selecting the crypto, you need to tap on the withdrawal option in the bottom. Select the send via crypto network option and then you will be landed on this page. So since I want to send BNB and I have selected the BNB option, you will have to launch your MEXC mobile application and over here tap on the deposit option on the home page. Now tap on the on-chain deposit option and here you need to simply search for the same crypto which you want to add here, which in my case is BNB. So after searching for BNB, you need to simply tap on it and you will see the BNB smart chain contract address and the QR code. So you need to copy this from here, then go back to your Binance account and paste the address in this address section. In the network, you need to select the same network that you have selected in your MEXC Global Exchange account. In my case, it is BEP20. So if the network is not chosen automatically by Binance, you will have to tap on the networks option and select your network. Afterwards, in the withdrawal amount, enter the amount of crypto that you want to send from your Binance account to your MEXC Global account. Then tap on the withdraw option in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. On the next page, simply confirm your transaction. Make sure that your address is correct. Make sure that in both of the applications, the network was correct. If everything is good, you need to simply confirm your transaction, and after the successful confirmation of your transaction, you will receive your crypto from Binance to your MEXC account within just 3 to 5 minutes. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.